guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is DAZZLE. Welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, so in this video I'm going to do a product review from a luxury brand called Teddy Blake New York. They reached out to me and I was given the opportunity to choose whichever style of bags I want. So yeah, so this company is based in New York, and they specializing in luxury handbags made with premium Italian leather. All their bags are made in Italy with experienced craftsmen working in the same Italian factory as other luxurious brand. I'll be sharing the bag with you guys, and yeah. Alright, so it's pretty huge. So this is the box that came with right here, and it's pretty heavy. So let me just go like this. Alright, so this box is pretty sturdy. I really like it. It looks pretty much like a luxurious product, and he has the name right here, and it says designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. It says each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter you every fashion choice. So let's get that open. So it comes with the paper, obviously, and yeah, so all the bubble wraps, plastic, and let me just take this off. So obviously it comes with a dust bag. It says Teddy Blake New York, and the dust bag is very soft and it has a drawstring. So you're gonna go like this, easy to open. And here's the bag. Look how pretty it is. That's that. Alright, so I have the GG Stampado in gold with gold hardware. This is in 13 inches in dark beige, as you can see. I absolutely love this color. This is the tag that came with it. The hardware is gold and the lettering is also gold. I really like this. The fact that it's gold, also the hardware is right here. This is the back of the bag. Now the leather is pebbled grainy type of leather, and this is a top handle. I love the smell of a brand new leather. It's like, you know, a brand new car, but like except it's a bag. So yeah, it is so gorgeous. I actually inspected this bag already. The stitching is perfect. The color of the stitching is the same as the bag, so I really like that. And this is the bottom part. This is the side. I really like the side. It looks like a slouchy bag, but it's actually sturdy at the same time. So that's that. Right here says Teddy Blake New York, perfectly embossed here in the bottom. I like the fact that it's small. It's not showy here in the front, and it's just perfect. It's just like minimalist, I would say. So yeah, I like that idea. What I also love about this bag is reminds me of the Hermes Birkin bag. Yeah, I don't know, it's just the shape and everything, kind of similar. You know, I love the top handle and front closure, and how you open it. You just lift this up right here, both sides, I would say, and lift this up right here, the front flap. Then you open it like this. Okay, so that's the inside. Of course, it comes with the stuffings. It does come with the strap, of course, same color as the bag. It also has the gold hardware, just like the bag itself. I really like it. It looks very, very nice, the quality as well. So yeah, so this one right here you can put in the bag for, as if you want to use it as a shoulder bag. So you can put it both sides, I would say. Okay, so this is the inside of the bag. And it has a pocket in there. Now, what I love about the pocket is that it does not slouch on the inside. It's very sturdy and nice, and you can tell it's very, very high quality. The inside is a suede, soft and comfortable. That. I would personally use it as just as a top handle because it's I think it's more professional looking. I would just use it as a top handle, like carrying it like this instead of with the shoulder bag. It's just my own preferences. So yeah, overall I really like Teddy Blake bag. I absolutely love it. It is pretty reasonable price. It is price range is about $300 to $500 each, considering it is 100% full leather and it's 100% a luxury premium leather, and the quality and craftsmanship behind it is just everything. So yeah, thank you to Teddy Blake and Company for sending this amazing bag. 10 minutes to do an honest review. So yeah, this is 100% my honest review. I really love it. This bag matches my personality, to be honest. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video and enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a like and subscribe. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.